Ah, this might be the one. Perfect grain.
Precision is key to capturing this shape.
Oh.
Just one more piece here, and the aggressive stance is complete. The heart of a supercar, built with the soul of the forest. Perfection is in the wood. Precision is key. Just a few more taps. The chassis is complete.
Almost there. The final piece. Perfect fit. Looks strong. Just one more. Coming right up.
All right, just like that. Looks
perfect.
almost done.
This detail on the car's socket.
Almost there. Just this little piece.
Ooh, perfect. Perfect. It's beautiful. All right, time to give this beauty some color. Perfect. Ready to go. Almost there. Looking perfect now. Almost there. Just a little more perfection. Almost there. Just a little more. Oh.
After all these years, this is the one. A true masterpiece.